you're doing well. What we're going to cover today is a recipe from the Falastin Cookbook by Sami Tamimi and Tara Wigley. It's absolutely brilliant, this. And actually a lot of this already is vegan and plant-based. So this is what I'm going to cover. I'm going to cover the pomegranate cooked lentils and aubergines. Now, I've been digging through some of the real strict plant-based books from the How Not to Die and How Not to Diet cookbook. These are really good books on showing you how to eat oil-free, but also eat not processed foods, and also to reduce the amount of oils that you cook with, but also salt. You know, so Dr. Gregor advises these as red traffic light labelling system to avoid having those foods. So I'm going to show you how to adapt other recipes from really good cookbooks and make it plant-based. And in this case, I'm just going to eliminate the oil and also the salt and show you how to put those flavours back in using different ingredients. Now here, I've stripped this back to a really basic. So there's 8 core ingredients here that I'm using, really basic. I'm gonna put this under the 10-minute meal playlist because this is gonna be really simple, flavoursome and easy. A great midweek meal. I'm just gonna have my morning espresso. So the core ingredients you need for this is, of course, aubergine, pomegranate molasses, pomegranate seeds, green lentils. Now you can use dried, but in this case I'm going to show you how to make this easy. Fresh garlic, air fried crispy onion, and this is absolutely brilliant. Now I've actually just covered a recipe on this and show you how to do this oil-free, so please check out the recipe here. This requires cumin powder, but I haven't got any in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crush some cumin seeds and also some fennel seeds. The recipe also requires ground coriander, but I'm actually going to replace this with something a little bit different, and I'm going to add a Moroccan spice which is made up of all different spices, and it's Ras El Hanout. It's absolutely brilliant. You can actually make this yourself, but the main constitution of this is black pepper and coriander powder, but then it's got ginger, paprika, allspice, cardamom, mace, nutmeg, turmeric powder, cayenne pepper, clove powder, and then rose petals, which is a key component of this, which gives it the colour, and floral notes. So yeah, absolutely love this. Picked it at some staff shop for 20p, and this stuff doesn't go out of date, so you know it's really, really good. So these are the core ingredients. Really looking forward to what you're making with your aubergines, so do leave your comments below. Really interested. We're starting to really cover a lot of recipes with these. But simply what I'm going to do with this is, and you can do this in advance, is just dice this up into cubes, sprinkle with a little bit of pepper seasoning, and then just throw into the oven for half an hour. Just halfway through, just give it a quick toss and then back in. And then once you've done that, you allow that to cool, and then you can have your aubergines ready for any kind of these dishes, which then makes this a 10-minute meal, and you can just throw it all together. So let's get going.
backwards, our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so
and then it's done. So basically, all we're doing now is going to transfer it into a serving bowl. Finally garnish this, I've got some pomegranate seeds, which I'm going to put over the top. Generously, because it's a real nice contrast of a colour. And then I'm going to use some of the air fried shallots over the top. And then finally some parsley. Look at the contrasting colours there, wow. Then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to make a quick dressing. I'm using black tahini here, which is from the Balazu company, really good. This is plant-based, it is made from just 100% black sesame seeds. 2-to-1 ratio with a little bit of lemon juice. And all I'm going to do here is just squeeze a little bit of lime into here. And a small amount of tahini. Drizzle this into here and stir this through. And there we have the black tahini dressing. And it adds that little bit of a contrast as well. So voila! The pomegranate cut lentils with aubergines and a black tahini sauce. So let's try the best part. Wow, that's absolutely incredible. How plant-based food cannot be delicious like this. It's simply incredible. This is a Middle Eastern dish, but it's just the infusion of flavours. I mean, it's absolutely superb. So, really hope you're enjoying the show. Please don't forget to subscribe. A lot of love and passion going into this show. Also covering recipes every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 PM. So make sure you turn your notifications on. Bing! And support my channel. So check out a place also for other aubergine dishes. Hope this really inspires you.